So I'm currently at the Home Depot looking at different brackets and whatnot. I'm trying to make a connection, and I need to connect the copper grounding and stuff. So I'm over here looking at some of the things that we can use to build and whatnot. But this ain't none of these, so I need to go to another department. All right, for those that are helium mining and that you guys can't seem to get great rewards, add all these smart switches to your house. It might help, just saying, it's an idea. See, all the smart switches, all those connect on Internet of Things. Helium, guys, remember that. All these smart, well, I don't know about those, but you gotta look into it. The ones that can connect via smartphones. Gotta be careful. Boom.
Oh, that's why. Because somebody ran the car.
We out here. A lazy society.
I know.
They don't want to work half the time. God damn. Yo, we reversing it. I need my copper wires. Like and subscribe.